Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. We are taking a video of this machine. The customer reported that the grinder is clogged, and we're not seeing an issue with the machine, so we're making this video to send to the customer and see if there's something else that might be going on. So let's go ahead and test the machine. The grinder sounds just fine. Pre-infusion. And then a shot. Seems like a good shot. Thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.